Christchurch International Airport Limited is the organisation which is essentially the landlord of the airport. We own a lot of the infrastructure that support the commercial operations here at the airport. The airport is a key piece of infrastructure for our tourism economy. The South Island in particular is highly dependent on tourism trade, and we saw it as an opportunity to reinforce the clean, green New Zealand brand by doing our bit to make our organisation as environmentally friendly as possible. We saw it as a good opportunity to be involved in CNET because we can learn from similar organisations around the world, really an intelligence sharing exercise as much as anything, and to make sure that we're applying world best practice in what we do. Well, the first step in committing to this sort of program for any organisation is to get a good understanding of what your emissions are. The main contributors to our greenhouse gas emissions profile are electricity, fuel and energy consumed in the maintaining of our runway assets. So in terms of managing and reducing those emissions, we have programs in place for managing the amount of energy used in our building through a building management system, which controls and monitors lighting, heating and security inputs in the building. Igloos are devices that essentially use heat curtain technology to prevent drafts being created between the back of house baggage hall area and the baggage reclaim area. We are using pavement recycling and new pavement application technologies that reduce our profile. We reduce organic waste to landfill to minimise methane production in landfill. As a part of the Carbon Zero program, any emissions that we cannot reduce any further, we offset through the purchase of carbon credits. Employees feel good about the fact that a lot of what they are doing on a day-to-day basis is contributing to a program like Carbon Zero and to become carbon neutral organisation, so there's a certain pride attached to that. If everybody on the planet took responsibility for their own emissions, then we'd be in a much happier place.